Good afternoon everyone, my name is Bhupinder Singh and I am an art teacher at Lotus Feather Foundation. Today we learn that how to make origami peacock. For origami peacock we need one rectangle paper. As you can see we have. First we have to make a X mark over here. So first we have to fold this line over this line like this. And again we have to fold this line over this line like this. After folding this, we have to hold paper like this from both sides and we have to close it like this, then press it down. Make sure this point should be pointed like this. Now we have to create one center line over here, so we fold this back here. Now we have to fold this diagonal line over the center line and then open it. Then we have this pocket, so put your finger in this and fold this towards this center line. Now we have to fold this line towards the center line, so fold like this and repeat this step on this side also. After folding it, just open it from both sides and you can see this point here. So we have to open till the point and with the help of crease lines you have to fold it inside like this from the both side. After folding it, press it down and fold it backward. Now we have to repeat this step on this side also, so do the same steps. First fold, then put your finger in the pocket and press it down. Again same step towards the center line, you have to fold from the both side and open it, then open it again and fold it inside with the help of the crease lines. Then close it like this and fold it back side. Now you can see we have one triangle over here, so just fold it up to make a line over here, then open it and put it inside the panel and close it again. Now we have to fold this part towards this line like this, same from this part also, then open it and we have to fold this part inside with the help of crease like this, same from this part also, open and fold it like this. Now we have to fold it this line towards the center line and same from this side also towards the center line, then close it, same from this side also, first down then up and close it. Now we have to fold this whole part towards the line and fold it like this. From both sides we have to fold. After folding this, we have to make fan fold over here. Fan fold is very easy. First we have to fold upside and then downside. We have to continue this step with this part. After folding this, we have to just put this tail inside this body like this, and now we have to paste it. Take just a little bit Fevicol, apply some here and then stick it together. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, it will stick together. Now we have to fold this triangle part upside like this. Now open it from the center and fold it upward with the help of the crease lines. And after this, neck of our peacock is ready. Now we have to make the head, so just fold it down and again little bit fold for the beak. So our peacock is almost ready. We have to just fold the red front like this from both sides, and his tail is also ready. Stick. Now your peacock is ready. You can put it on table like a showpiece. Thank you. It's a very interesting activity. Try it yourself.